Yes, in this class we will like to look at a problem and we will try to solve the problem. In this problem, what is given is the function is given, function f of abcd, where abcd are binary variables. We have sigma m, these are the min terms that we have 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 14 and 15. In this problem, what exactly we would like to see is, we would like to find essential prime implicants and non-essential prime implicants. So we should know what is an implicant, then we will look at what is prime implicant, then we will look at what is essential prime implicant, then we will also look at a non-essential prime implicant. For this given problem, what exactly we try to do is, we will take a 4 variable k map, 4 variable k map. So this is the map I have already drawn here, where ABCD are MSB, where A is MSB, D is LSB, AB 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, CD 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. For the sake of reference, what I have given here is 0 0 is A bar B bar, 0 1 is A bar B bar, A bar B bar. Of course, this is A bar B, AB, AB bar. Similarly, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, then CD bar. This will be useful when you are writing the min terms. Okay. So whatever the given min terms are entered into the K map. What are they? 0, 2, 3, okay, 5, 7, then 10, 11, 14 and 15. Now let us look at it how to exactly we can combine them. Before that, we need to understand what is meant by implicant. Implicant means any one min term, either it may be this min term or it may be this min term, any one min term is called the implicant. Then what exactly we should know? What is meant by prime implicant? Prime implicant is a maximum possible number of ones combination. What is the maximum possible number of ones combination? Okay, so we can go for a combination of ones and which is maximum possible in that case. I mean to say, if I take this min term, for this min term, what is the maximum possible number of ones? The maximum possible number of ones for this is this one, this one, this one and this one. So this is a prime implicant. It is a min term. The maximum possible number of ones constituting is a prime implicant. Okay. Whether it is essential or non-essential, we will look into it afterwards. If I look at this one I want to combine with the ones. So what are the possibilities we have? I can combine with only this one. But before that, is there any possibility of number of ones? Maximum number of ones possible. Maximum number of ones possible is, first case, if what exactly I need to check is there a 60 ones possible case? Obviously no. Is there any 8 ones combinations? Obviously no. Is there any 4 ones combinations? Yes, we got one such 4 ones combination where I am looking for how to combine this one with rest of the ones. Okay, that itself is called as a prime implicant. So this is an implicant when I look at it as a single min term. When I look at it the grouping as a group, it is a prime implicant. Next, what exactly I need? Whether it is essential or non-essential, that we will look into it. If I go for 4 number of ones, there is also one possibility where I can combine these 4 ones. Right? So if I combine this is one prime implicant. Why prime implicant? Because this is a maximum number of ones possible for these 3 in the grouping with the rest of the min terms. Is there any other way? Yes, of course there is another way, we will look into it, but right now I consider this as one of the prime implicant. If I go for number of ones that are there, I have all ones covered, but this one is not yet covered and this one is not yet covered. So if I want to cover this one, what I need to do is I will cover like this. Okay. Is there any other possibility to cover? There is no other possibility. So this may be one of the prime implicant. Now if I take this one, how can I combine this one? Is there any possibility of 4 ones with respect to this min term? For sure no. Is there any 2? Yes, it is possible. So what I can do is I can combine these two. So if I look into this, now the whole process, see here, win this min term 1, 1, 1, 1. So not involved in any other grouping. Okay. So in this one, if I see this, I have 4 ones. Okay. These two are involved in this combination. This one involved in this group. Is this one involved in any other group? No. Okay. So if you look at each and every possible combinations of one groupings of ones, okay, you find at least one not being covered by any other group. If I take this one, if I take this one and this one, this is only covered here. Rest they are not covered. If I take in these two, this is not covered by anyone, but this is covered in this group as well as in this group. Okay. If I take these 4 ones, or out of these 4 ones, this one is not covered in any other group. So this is covered here in this group, these 2 are covered in this group. If I take these 4 ones, this is covered, whereas this is covered, but this is not covered. So in all these min terms, what exactly happened is at least one min term not being covered by, okay, any other grouping. That is the reason why these are called essential prime implicants. Essential prime implicants. But if I take another group, let's take this group. If I take this group, what exactly is going to happen is something like this. If I take this group, what is this group exactly? This is also 4 ones combination for sure. Yes, this is also 4 ones combination. The one which I have shown with red. This is already used. This is already in group. This is already in group. This is also in the already group. So this combination of this red combination is a non-essential prime implicant. Now you got what is essential and what is non-essential. What is non-essential? In any prime implicant. What is prime implicant? Any combination of ones grouping. If you find all min terms are involved in some other groups, then it is non-essential. But in case of essential prime implicants, we have at least one min term, okay, which is not being covered by any other, at least one min term not being covered by any other grouping. That is essential prime implicant. Okay, is that fine? So this is what exactly implicant, prime implicant, essential and non-essential prime implicant. Now we can write the expressions for them. What exactly expression for these 4 ones? What exactly the expression? What exactly the expression for these 4 ones? Similarly, I can write expression for these 2. Similarly, I can write expression for these 4 ones. Okay, I can also write expression for these 4 ones. This is one way of looking into it. The same problem I can look in another way, where I will find non-essential as one more minterm or one minterm here is non-essential. What is that? What is being shown in red. But if I look at the problem, if I solve once again, I'll see I will get another combination which is non-essential. So if I even in this diagram also we can look at it. If you take this red combination as well as this 4 ones combination, even after combining this 4 and this 2 and this 2, if you look at these ones, this is one is covered here, this one is covered in this one is covered in this one is also covered in this one is covered. So everything is covered. So this, if I consider this, if I use this as essential prime implicant, if I use this as essential prime implicant, then it will be non-essential. This will be non-essential. If I treat this as non-essential, this is essential. Okay. So how exactly is that? I will show once again here. One, I have one here, I have one here, I have one here. Then I have 1 over here, 5, 7, 1, 1, 1. Right. So what I try to do is I will write the expression like this. What exactly is, I will take these 4 ones. Is there an issue? No issue. It is a prime implicant. Okay. Then I will take these 2 with this 2. Is there any issue? No issue. I will take this 4 as a group. No issue. Then I will take this 2 as a group. Now if I take this is essential prime implicant. This is essential prime implicant, right? Whereas this is essential prime implicant. How can I say essential prime implicant? At least I have one minterm or more than one minterms not being covered by other groups. So in this is not being covered. This is not being covered. Okay. In this, these two are not being covered. Okay. In this, these two are not being covered. But if I take a group like this, okay, what exactly this? This is non-essential prime implicant. So either this one, what is that? This red combination, or this 4 ones combination, okay, non-essential prime implicant. So how do you implement? Based on that, any one will become either this may be or that may be. That means you can choose one as essential and another as non-essential. That means if I take this as essential, this will be non-essential. If I take this is essential, then this will be non-essential. Okay, that is what exactly it is being shown. I hope you got it. One can write the expressions here. Okay, what is the expression here? What is this expression? 1 1 1 1. What is this? Is 1 1 this B bar? So B bar. What is this? Is D bar. So B bar, D bar. What about this CD? CD is non-essential. What about this 4? This 2 and this 2. This 2, what is their common? C. This 2, this 2 and this 2. So this 2 is C, right? This 2 is B bar. So it is B bar C. This is B bar C. What about this 4? If I take this 2, what is common? A. A. What is common in this? C. Okay. So is that fine? So here you can write what are the essential prime implicants? B bar, D bar, B bar, D bar, essential prime implicant. Then B bar C, essential prime implicant. Okay. Then AC, essential prime implicant. CD is not an essential. So these three, totally how many? Of course, I need to write expression for this. What exactly the expression for this? Expression for this is A bar B, A bar B, right? In these two, what is possibility? D. So A bar B, B, D. So A bar B, D plus B bar D bar, B bar C plus AC. This is the final expression for function F. Okay. These four are essential prime implicants. Essential prime implicants. Right. What about this CD? Non-essential. So non-essential prime implicant C and D. CD. When I implement like this. Okay. For this also you can write. What about this case? For this above implementation, only thing is in place of this same thing, it is also A bar BD, A bar BD, B bar D bar, okay, B bar, in place of B bar C, we will be using CD. So CD plus AC, these are essential prime implicants, whereas B bar C is non-essential prime implicant, non-essential prime implicant. What is this? These are essential. Essential. So on the whole, what we can say? On the whole, finally, what are essential and what are non-essential? So CD or B bar C, non-essential. What are essential? These are non-essential. What are essential? Essentials are A bar B, D, B bar D bar, then AC. These are essential prime implicants. Okay, with this we stop.